the Holy Prophet has said, the promise of paradise, I shall guarantee paradise for you when you speak, you tell the truth, when you promise, you perform, when you are entrusted with something, you discharge your trust, safeguard your chastity, cast down your eyes, and restrain your hands from harming another. And there are even shorter hadith than this, which guarantee paradise. What I'd like to know is that the 6 points here mentioned, does away with fasting, does away with prayer, and does away with charity and whatever have you in the Quran. So if we go by these 6 points, can they really overcome all the teachings of the Quran? Or in what way are these
6 points which we have just decided, they form the fundamentals of religion and good forms of life. So they cover everything. The truth, for example, if somebody, whenever he speaks truth, tells the truth. This is one of the most fundamental acts of piety or righteousness, which cover a very large field of activities. And if somebody is truthful, fundamentally, basically, such a man cannot commit certain wrongs. His scope of wrongdoing or evil actions is limited. It's not like one who lies. The scope of evil is very wide, and those who are truthful people, their scope of evil is limited. So it is further limited with the next question and the next thing described, next act described, and the third and the fourth. So if you read them in this order, you will find that hardly there will be anything left. And if there is anything left, suppose, and maybe there are some, the overwhelming part of goodness will offset them. You know, these 6 points, if you follow them truly and strictly, I'll quote an example of the influence of truth over other actions of man. Here 6 points are mentioned. Once somebody went to Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him for just one thing. He said, I am a bad man and I can't follow every advice you gave me. So just limit yourself to one advice. And I promise that I'll abide by that advice and will never break this law. So Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, all right, just be truthful, never tell a lie. Make a promise. He said, I promise. Now it is he himself who relates what happened next. He says that I was very happy. I said it's a good bargain. Just to tell the truth is nothing. He has not told me to do anything good or to abstain from anything evil. Just I speak the truth and that is all. So he said at night I got up and was about to go for stealing, on a stealing spree. And then immediately I realized that because I am a known thief, when I steal, I may escape capture by my cleverness. But in the morning they are bound to come and ask me if it was I who had committed the theft or somebody else. So I promise I will speak the truth. So that means that I am already caught. So he abstained from going out. And it's a long hadith narrated by him. He says that act after act, this is just the single promise of telling the truth stood in my way, and the evil acts which I was going to commit. With the result that after he had shed quite a few, ultimately he decided to be a pious man altogether. So truth is the fundamental of everything. In fact, this is one attribute of Allah, haq, which is called truth as well as it is an attribute of Allah. For example, beauty is not an attribute of Allah. Rahm is not an attribute of Allah. Allah is Rahim. But haq means truth. And it is an attribute of Allah. That is straight truth is Allah and Allah is truth. So this is so fundamental. So if somebody is truthful, he is bound to end up in ultimate, what they call translate falah as, how do you translate falah? But not successful, that's American. Ultimate deliverance or salvation, that's right. I meant salvation. Is that to ultimate salvation? Because this is very important, truth is.
So these points are really for the people who are already believers of God, and it doesn't mention say la ilaha illallah, that you should know this, and then it's so really for the believers to keep away from the evil, and then they can enter paradise. My conclusion then is that these 6 points is to keep you away from the evils, and this is for the people who are already followers of religion.
Exactly. Because he is rendering this advice to his followers, to Muslims, and he is promising them the paradise, not to non-believers.
Right.
Yes. That is understood, of course.
Yes.
But in a way, they can also be covered by the benefit, by the beneficence of this promise. Because those people who are truthful and who have this fundamental good promise in them, they are the people generally, when you give them the message they accept. Because a truthful person always does truth. And who by habit is truthful, if you convey the message of truth to him, he will be more likely to accept it than anybody else. So in that manner, in that way, it also applies to non-believers. That with these fundamental attributes or good habits, I promise them Jannah in either case. If the message of the truth is not available to them and they die, and they have these qualities, then they are bound to go to heaven because of this promise. And if the message is conveyed to them and they are truly truthful, then it's impossible for them to reject that truth. Because truth does not reject truth. This is why Hazrat Masih Maud has said that jiski fitrat नेक है आएगा वो इंसान who in nature is truthful and honest and good. Fitrat नेक means all this. So आएगा वो इंसान is bound to come ultimately. So in a way this is all comprising. Any other question, please? Or someone with good voice who wants to sing the poem of the Islam?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
But how do we know that your voice is good? Do you have a testimony, some sort?
Actually, I want to.
No, that I agree. You want to. But there is no, what is the guarantee for the people to remain sitting while they are singing? Okay. After this question, please. Nothing again? But there are the questions.
I beg your pardon, sir. It's very embarrassing for me to get up every time and ask something.
Why?
Just I feel embarrassed.
You never ask embarrassing questions.
Then, sir, in pursuance
They had companies before